Correct.
Not my first, but
Do I see
Oo,
you?
second half, almost 7
Sino
years
unang magtatanong?
after. How does it feel to be back?
Payampan mo, lalong yumayaman.
June, you're going to ask the first question. You are? Yes. Give a mic to June. Ayun. Nasa gitna yung may camera. Ayan. June, there's the mic.
Yes, this is really where the voices of our filmmakers live. They are able to create the films that they want to do and tell the stories that they want to tell. And talaga yun.
We have free plans now.
At sa iba pang
We also have
film
the thing
festivals
as
that support.
right.
Anong aabangan? Anong role mo dito sa Hanong God? Ito yung shoot mo pa sa Basilan season.
Actually, mostly in Tanay. Pero nag-shoot kami sa Basilan.
Oo, may aabangan namin sa'yo.
Any of the filmmakers
Gaya yung sinabi ni Director, in his directorial debut.
Can the filmmakers expound on the problems you had to encounter and how you overcome them? Can we just say, let's give each filmmaker maybe 45 seconds to answer the question. And let's start from the end over there. Sino na sa
Si Nanay ako.
Ayun, yeah.
So,
Actually, yung
it's very
team namin
simple
actually
yet
is
complicated and
not
painful
what you
story
mentioned. It's just
of
broader, slightly
community
more
of a child.
technological kasi
My
it's
child,
reflection
si
of
Farouk,
things we think
basically,
are important in today's accessible.
ayoko masyadong magsabi. Pero isang komunidad,
Since yung film namin tungkol sa political dynasties,
bola, tatay
siguro nire-reflect niya yung nangyayari ngayon sa
binigay sa
ating
mga kabataan.
Senate, yung kalokohan nila. So, it's a black comedy na nakakatawa pero hindi nakakatawa.
Na-in-love, na-inspire.
Aming pelikula. At siguro yung naging struggle namin mas technical doon kasi
Yun muna yun.
Yun muna,
Oo,
hanggang
yun
doon
muna
lang.
yun. Yun lang. Ang aking si Ruro ay
sinubukan namin gumamit kami ng cellphones for our entire shoot. So our film was shot entirely on iPhones.
It takes a village to
Na
raise a child.
kaya medyo mahirap yung
It takes a village to
kita
raise a
kasi yung
child.
background, basically yung depth of field na ngayon.
yes,
Yung
but you
kabilang
know, there are
kanto
some
kita.
communities that
So yun,
more
yung
difficult to navigate with it.
production
So,
design.
their
But
realities
ito
are
naman
different from our realities.
Thank you. Jill,
Yun, ang hirap.
how
But
did
this
you,
is not
what were
a
your
critical
problems and how
film.
you overcome
This is
them
not
first
during the
Ang
filmmaking?
hirap
This
kasi
time.
yung traversing talaga ideology.
Ito ko lang po, 85% ng aming
Alam naman
actors
natin
mula sa
yung
audition.
sitwasyon sa Basilan. Yes.
Mula sa
Other parts of the
audition sa Simanaya. Sila yung
This is your first sports movie.
sports.
Kasi sabi ni Mark eh.
Football mom kayo.
Yes, technically, it's my first time
Pero
sports yung tema at yung pamamaraan kung paano galing sa actually, tumawag sa akin si Rengel Rufino kasi sinabi niya yung premise.
Same question.
Yes, of course, we're always happy and natutuwa kami sa Sinimalaya and FTCP for providing us the safe grant to jumpstart this project. At the end of the day, historically naman talaga, if you look at the Sinimalaya, it's always been the kind of films na medyo mahirapan mong trace sa resources because it's a little bit riskier, it's a little bit non-mainstream, it's a little bit challenging sa established norms, etc. So yun yung challenge primarily. Even if we got a lot of help from Sinimalaya and FTCP, we still have to raise funds for the other part kasi sinmani nga lang yun for the other part of our film. So mainly, yun pa rin is basically the struggle of all the filmmakers here to raise the necessary funding and resources para maikwento nila yung kwento gusto nilang ikwento. At yung mga kwento hindi usually na nakakita sa ating television o sa ating mga sine.
To be frank, cash flow na. But I think everyone should have the same experience. But at least for case yung kailangan nakakaalam. The challenge would be coming up with a plan as
There,
we have to meet agreements and programs. So, yun
na
yung
kasing dami ng
dapat kind of challenge for me how to represent things in a different way cinematics.
whether it's on screen, sometimes of course.
Before
we
GM,
have
can you ask first the back row?
Pero nandito eh.
Doon muna sa dulo. So we finish that side first. Same question. Problems and how you overcame them.
Na may creative control ang yung iisipin mo box office ba ito. Ang dami kasi nag-get ito, which are realities kasi kung negotiate mo. Pag nagkabas kayo ng pera, maiging bumalik ito para mas marami pa tayong
Pasko kasi yun eh.
So dahil
So, wala akong
dito, syempre,
magandang
parang
kasi
bonus na
celebrate.
bonus talaga pag-release.
So, umabot pa ako hanggang New Year. So, yung subject ko, buong December, may kasama ko. Hinihirapan ako. Pasak lang na ako, kaya rin. Pero ayun,
Filmmakers, writers,
G, kahit pa.
storytellers,
Tapos yun,
tell the stories that they
Sa sinip na namin, confirm ba kasama ka sa Bernal biopic?
Pakitanong ko si Noel Ferrer. Natuwa lang ako. Ay, talaga ba? Nagpakulit ko na kasi tumasilan.
Oo.
Ano bang when umaga ko din courtesy ko kami. Kaya sa
create a period film-based that was faithful to the
Lamitan,
the 90s and science fiction dystopia
Pero
world
in
that we imagine. And to stretch out our budget, very small budget, to do that
of course,
research.
very safe.
We were able to do it, and we're excited to share what that looks like with you. Thank you.
Namin talaga parang lalo na ako kasi pinagmamasal.
Sa pelikula po namin, pinakamalaking,
Grabe talaga, Ape.
isa sa pinakamalaking pinagdaanan ng
Tahan mo may
pelikula
parang
is yung
lumapit siya dun sa
weather.
isang place.
So yun,
Isip ko,
kailangan
mababasag na
namin
yata yung windows.
dahil marami kami locations,
Tuwa.
kailangan namin, at nag-shoot kami sa isang komunidad
Pinuntahan sila.
ng San Roque na meron talagang nangyayari revolution, meron din militarization sa lugar na yun. Doon kami mismo nag-shoot, so marami kang mga prediction na nangyayari habang nag-shoot kami ng pelikula. Tapos,
When we tell their stories,
mostly yun.
they feel we are seen. And when we visit them,